Okay, so today I will be doing another fun collaboration with the one and only, drumroll please, Cassandra P.
Hello everybody, my name is Cassandra and I make health and beauty content. If you're into that, head on over to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a Harley Quinn makeup look, and if you want to see how mine turned out, make sure and go check out my channel after you watch Jess's. So let's see how this turns out.
So the first thing I'm going to do is use some concealer on my eyes to make sure that the makeup sticks better. Okay, shall we see how Cassandra's getting on?
Okay.
Okay, now I'm going to apply some foundation.
And that's actually not as dark as I like them to be. Maybe I can add some eyeshadow to it because they're thick enough, but it's like they're not dark enough. Not for this look anyway, because this is a very dark look. Wow. Wow, good job, bud. Well, you know what?
Let me just pull it down for a sec. And I let go.
Okay, I'm just going to add a little bit of concealer underneath my eyes as well. Okay, I know Harley Quinn has really pale skin, but I don't have any products that are pale white, so the main focus will just be the eyes more than anything. Okay, so I'm going to start off with a whitey colour in the inner part of your eye, using this white shade here.
Your back, yeah, baby, what you need. Cause I've learned to be lonely. Cause I've learned to be lonely. I'm laid back, baby, you like me.
But should we see how Cassandra's getting on?
Let's see if we can get some dark, like a blacker, okay, here we go. Got this brush, like a darker color for my eyebrows. See if that will maybe work to get them a little bit more dark, like the girl in the video. We're trying to copy the girl in the video. Oh wow, that did it. That definitely definitely did it. Definitely a lot darker. I'm trying my best, Jess, I promise. Oh my gosh, I just messed up.
Don't worry about it, Cassandra. I love your content regardless. Okay, so we're going to carry on a little bit more with the white and bring it just a little bit like in the middle of your bottom lash line.
Okay, so what she did next, this one, it looks a lot better than this one. What she did next is she filled in her eyeshadow. So she used like a red. I don't have a red. I've got this bronzy color right here, and it's the closest thing I have to a red. Gosh, I keep losing my stuff. So that's what we're gonna try to work with.
I'm going to be using this pink shade here.
So here we are, once again. I start to feel like I said it on myself. Pick and choose what you need. It's all up to you. I let my guard down, easily let you in. It was great until we let the end begin.
So as you can see, because I used concealer, the pink is staying on my eye. It's not falling out. It's sort of picking up the colour better.
These memories still stuck in my mind. We'll say don't think about them sometimes. Driving too fast, planning our lives. Never stop to check the exit signs. I can dwell on the past. It will comfort me for a while. But
Okay, so I'm just going to go back in with the white and make it a little bit more seeable again.
I'll try to forget. 'Cause the
And as it's Harley Quinn, I'm going to try and blend it a little bit lower down around about here. Usually I wouldn't, but it's Harley Quinn. She's a little bit crazy.
I'm giving this my best go. Some people are probably like, there's no way she's giving this her best go because she sucks. Like, there's just no way. Yes, I promise. I am doing my best.
Okay.
I swear. I think I got it in my eye.
Okay, and now we're going to go in with some liquid eyeliner. I'm going to be using the L'Oreal liquid eyeliner. Okay, sorry, I think my camera might have died, so you can see how I've done the eyeliner on this eye. So now I'm going to be using a pencil eyeliner just underneath. Okay, now we're going to do some mascara.
They make a mess. The shirts and creases when we're in an iron dress. We're all on time to things. They're at least 15 late. That's just a couple things I've learned about boys these days. I've learned about boys these days. They like the freedom, but boys get lonely sometimes, and now we need them. Sometimes I've asked myself why, 'cause they're a pain and they don't think.
Okay, so now we're going to do Harley Quinn's signature heart and rotten across here. Bearing in mind I'm not a great artist, so I hope this all comes out good. And I'm not going to be using the eyeliner I used on my eyelid. I'm going to be using this eyeliner right here, as it can be a more precise eyeliner for the heart and rotten.
The other point of view, yeah, we do things thoroughly, but shortcuts they'd rather do. And breaking up is easier for them somehow. They don't cry, ask why, they go out there okay. That's just another thing I've learned about boys these days. They like the freedom, but boys get lonely sometimes, and now we need them. Sometimes I've asked myself why, 'cause they're a pain to make.
Okay, so this is the heart.
Sometimes I wish I played the other team instead, but as much as we hate them through.
Now I'm going to attempt writing rotten.
Sometimes we'll end up getting burned, but we go just the same. When it comes to boys, I guess we never learn.
I'm going to be using this colour right here.
Yeah, they're always gonna be boys will be boys. They like the freedom, boys get lonely sometimes, and now we need them. Sometimes I've asked myself why, 'cause they're a pain and they don't think they're his. Sometimes I wish I played the other team instead, but as much as we hate them through all the noise, gotta love them, boys will be boys.
Okay, so I'm just going to put the eyeliner on, the liquid eyeliner, the pencil eyeliner, and the mascara, and then we get onto the red lips.
They tell me that I'm wasting time. Tell me something I don't know. You left fingerprints across my mind. I try covering them, but they still show. If I had a choice in whether or not, I'd be moved on from you by now. If I had a voice or a shout.
Okay, and lastly, I'm using my favourite lipstick shade, the Power Lips Fluid, in the dark, deep shade Unbreakable.
And it's hard 'cause my heart doesn't want to. No, I know that it's no good, and I should never look back. No, I keep thinking about the good times. Memories are like beat from start to end. Oh, but honestly, I'm scared there now. We fucked it up too much now for us to be friends. I'm not sure.
Here I am. Here it is. Harley Quinn. So okay guys, this is the finished look.
Okay, well this is the finished look. I absolutely love collaborating with Cassandra. She's so funny to collaborate with. It's like I've made a new friend online, an American friend, and I love her accent, and I'm sure you will too. So go and subscribe to that girl. She deserves it. She's so funny. You'll be laughing all the way through her videos. You will not regret it, as I've said, you will not. So again, thanks so much for watching, and also there'll be 2 videos that pop up here. One will be a collaboration and another one will be what YouTube recommends that you should watch. So bye for now.